Solving YouTube TV buffering is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient bandwidth to support streaming HD or 4K content without buffering. Use a speed test tool to check your internet speed. Ideally, you should have a minimum download speed of 5 Mbps for streaming HD content and higher speeds for 4K streaming. Close any unnecessary background apps or programs running on your device, as they can consume bandwidth and affect streaming performance. Disconnect or pause downloads, torrents, or other activities that may be using up your internet bandwidth. Sometimes, simply restarting your streaming device can resolve buffering issues by refreshing the device's network connection and clearing temporary data. If you're using Wi-Fi, move closer to your wireless router to improve signal strength and reduce interference. Walls, furniture, and other obstacles can weaken Wi-Fi signals. Consider using a wired Ethernet connection for devices that support it, as wired connections typically provide more stable and reliable speeds than Wi-Fi. Streaming during peak hours or when many devices are connected to the same network can lead to network congestion and buffering. Try streaming during off-peak hours for smoother playback. Lowering the video quality settings on YouTube TV can reduce buffering issues, especially if your internet connection speed is not sufficient for streaming higher quality content. In the YouTube TV app or website, go to Settings, then Quality, and select a lower resolution option to see if it improves streaming performance.